Innovate Breakfast DigiBites, using the taskbar in Outlook.
Hi there, my name's Heather and today we're going to look at how you can use the taskbar in Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook app and I'm in Office 365 at the moment. So here I am in the Outlook app in Office 365. So why might you use the taskbar? So the taskbar is a really good way if you're compiling to-do lists and also allowing you to flag emails for sort of action at a later date. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the taskbar for this. So at the top here in the Outlook app, you can see there's a little box and it says My Day. Okay, normally that's not open, but if you click on it, it will open up and you'll be given a to-do box and you'll be given a calendar box. Okay, your calendar is basically going to show you your calendar on there and you've got a to-do box. Now what you can do is you can drag emails into this bar here, and you can create tasks and you can create events from this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I've got an email here that says important info. Now what I need to do is I need to mark this as a task. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this into the to-do bar and I'm going to select add as a task. Okay, so I'm going to drop it in there. Okay, and this will pop up shortly as a task. Okay, there's something that I have to do. I can do the same thing if it's a meeting as well. I can create sort of a calendar invite from this. So if I can move it across as well, I can add it as an event. Okay, if it's something that I need to mark as an event. Okay. And as you can see, this task has appeared here. Okay, and if I open it up, it'll just tell me what I need. Okay, so I can view the email and I can mark it as important. I can also obviously edit the name of the task as well. Okay. What I can also do with it, okay, if I click on it, I can mark it as completed and then it will disappear. Okay, so that just gives me a little sort of to-do list. You can also do this in the full Outlook app. Okay, so if you've got the full Outlook app that you use regularly, just drag this across, as you can see. Okay, I can do the same thing. Okay, so if I've got an email here, what I can do is I can go to the View menu at the top, and I can go to Layout, click on To-Do Bar, click on Tasks, and again this will show me my taskbar at the side. And again, what I can do with this is just flag an email if I wanted to. So I can just flag the email and it will appear in my taskbar, and I can sort of keep flagging things and it will continue to appear. Okay, so if you wanted to so I've got them here, look. So if I wanted to actually change the dates of things, I can actually use this flagging system at the top. So I can change the dates of when it's actually due, and I can customize the dates as well. Okay. So, and what will happen is that will give me a reminder. And again, if I keep this task list on my Outlook app here, I'll be able to see exactly what I need to do. I can also type in here new task as well. You know, so if you needed to, you can sort of add additional tasks in here as well. Okay, so that's how you can use the taskbar in Outlook.